Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Surashit Batina, and if you are pregnant right now and are considering whether you have to take the vaccination against COVID, in this video I'm going to break down all the facts what are available to us currently, and in the process make you decide whether you are a right candidate for the vaccination or not. Unfortunately, today COVID-19 has not only brought out a pandemic but also has brought out a social pandemic of misinformation and disinformation available to us. Pregnancy is not an immunocompromised state as many believe, but the immune system does undergo some changes during this time. Pregnant women have an increased risk of COVID-related illness when compared to non-pregnant women. There is absolutely no reason to believe that a non-live virus vaccine can affect pregnancy in any way possible, and even live vaccines causing risks in the fetus is only theoretical. In fact, non-live vaccines have been proven to be safe in pregnancy for a very long time. For example, the flu vaccine and the Tdap vaccine are not only offered but recommended in all pregnancies. Before talking about vaccination, let's consider what happens specifically for women who are pregnant and who are affected by COVID-19. Pregnant women have certain unique complications when compared to non-pregnant women because they have a possibility of transmitting the COVID-19 virus to their offsprings, and data has shown that there is a high risk of having a preterm delivery in a patient who has COVID-19. But then there's also good news. 2/3 of women who are suffering from COVID in the UK have shown that they had absolutely no symptoms, and 1 in every 100 pregnant women who were admitted in the hospitals in UK had some kind of comorbidities associated with pregnancy. There are strict protocols and regulations in place to make sure that the COVID vaccines are absolutely safe and effective. And in fact, just like all other vaccines, COVID-19 vaccine is also undergoing strict and vigorous phase 3 trials at this point. But unfortunately, due to the global pandemic and the situation we are in, COVID vaccinations have not yet been completely investigated. But the investigations, whatever done so far, are very reassuring. So let's go hear what the international bodies have to say. FIGO says that the absolute risk of a severe COVID-19 in pregnancy remains low. It is now established that the pregnant women are in increased risk of severe COVID-19 associated illness when compared to non-pregnant women. This we already know. Thus, it is important to highlight that following a risk-based approach whereby the vaccination is restricted to pregnant women who are at a high risk of exposure of COVID-19, which means this is generally pointed towards the healthcare workers who are at a higher risk of getting COVID-19 and those who have comorbidities like heart disease, diabetes, obesity, pregnant women who are more than 45 years of age. They also state that the practice of offering Tdap vaccine before the 27 weeks and the 36th week of pregnancy should also be continued just like before. But the CDC has said that if you want to take the Tdap vaccine, it should be at least 14 days before or 14 days after taking your COVID-19 vaccine. RCOG again says that the COVID-19 may be more dangerous in pregnancy. That again we already know. Studies have shown that hospital admissions and severe illness may be more common in pregnant women. So again, we already know that. Because this is a newer virus, RCOG says that it is better to include pregnant women as a high risk or moderate risk group. Even they state that there is no reason to think that the vaccines will not protect pregnant women effectively against COVID-19. Specific testing for the vaccine efficacy in pregnant women has only begun right now. Alright, coming to some of the important statistics you need to know. 90,000 pregnant women have already been vaccinated with the Pfizer or the Moderna in the USA, and there were no safety concerns whatsoever so far. Although there is something which is very important we need to understand about the AstraZeneca vaccine. Out of the 20 million people who have been given this vaccine in the UK, about 79 of them came back with severe thrombosis. Thrombosis is nothing but blood clotting inside the vessels, and I will be talking more about this in the upcoming videos. So, if you are pregnant and considering taking the vaccine, what are the pros or what are the benefits of taking the vaccine? You will have a reduction in the severity of the disease if you get contacted with COVID-19. You will have a reduced chance of having preterm delivery, and you have potentially a lesser risk of transmitting COVID-19 to your baby and your loved ones. Another point to note is that the COVID vaccine which you take has a large or a broad immune response, which means that even if there's a new variant which can come out later and it affects you, you have a lesser likelihood of contracting the virus. So finally, the golden question. Should you take the vaccine? Absolutely nobody can give you a guarantee that the vaccine is 100% safe to be taken during pregnancy, but this uncertainty has to be weighed against the risk of contracting COVID-19 during pregnancy, which can lead to severe illness. The advice I'd give you is to go and discuss with your healthcare partner, know the risks and benefits, and take a joint decision. I will be making more COVID related content in the near future. If you got some good information out of this video, go ahead and leave a like on this video and share it with whoever needs to see it. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do that right now. Until the next one, guys, see you and have a great day.